Channel 365 and you're watching Request News channel. Let's start with the headlines. Politician locals in large number to pay last respect to their beloved Raja Veerbhadra Singh at the Ridge in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. Professor Prem Kumar Dhumal said former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh was a great fighter. Manali to punish maskless tourists, ₹5,000 fine or 8 days in jail for flouting COVID-19 norms. President Ramnath Kovind, PM Modi, Sonia Gandhi, Manmohan Singh paid tributes to Veerbhadra Singh. Himachal BJP chief admitted to hospital following chest pain. 4 of family killed as car rolls down George in Shimla district of Himachal Pradesh. India records 43,393 new COVID cases, 911 more deaths. After viral video, only 50 tourists allowed at a time in Kemty Fall in Mussoorie. Won't compel user to accept a new privacy policy, WhatsApp tells Delhi High Court. COVID vaccine coverage exceeds 36.89 crore, says Centre. Now news in detail. Politician locals in large number to pay last respect to their beloved Raja Veerbhadra Singh at the Ridge in Shimla. Local and politicians started arriving early Friday morning at the Ridge in Shimla to pay their last respect to former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh, who passed away on Wednesday morning. The body was kept at Ridge Maidan for the public for Antim Darshan from 9 am to 11:30 am. Subsequently, it was taken to State Congress office Rajiv Bhavan on Kart Road in Shimla, where it was kept from 11:40 am to 1 pm. Professor Prem Kumar Dhumal said former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh was a great fighter. Former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh was a great fighter and faced every challenge successfully, said former Chief Minister Prem Kumar Dhumal. He said the 6th Chief Minister's death was a big loss to the state. Scores of leaders from all political parties paid tribute to him. Sukhbinder Singh Sukhu, former HPCC President, said Veerbhadra Singh's death had created a void that could not be filled. He was a great administrator whose contribution to the development of the state would be remembered forever. Manali to punish maskless tourists, ₹5,000 fine or 8 days in jail after flouting COVID-19 norms. After several pictures of tourists flouting COVID-19 norms in the hill station of Manali surfaced, the district administration sprung into action to prevent the spread of infection. The administration has imposed a fine of ₹5,000 or 8 days in jail for tourists who are found not wearing masks. In the last few days, the police have recovered about ₹3 lakh from tourists. Gurudev Sharma, Superintendent of Police Kullu, said, "We have recorded over 300 challans in the last 7 to 8 days and have recovered ₹3 lakh as a fine." President Ramnath Kovind, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Sonia Gandhi, Manmohan Singh paid tributes to Veerbhadra Singh. President Ramnath Kovind, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and Congress President Sonia Gandhi were among the leaders who paid tribute to Veerbhadra Singh. The President said Veerbhadra's long political career was marked by commitment to serve the people of Himachal Pradesh. The Prime Minister tweeted, "Shri Veerbhadra Singh Ji had a long political career with rich administrative and legislative experience. He played a pivotal role in Himachal and served the people of the state." Manmohan Singh, in a letter to Veerbhadra Singh's wife Pratibha Singh, said the passing away of the former Chief Minister has left a huge vacuum in the Congress. Veerbhadra belonged to the royal lineage, but his strength was his easy accessibility to people. In his death, our country has lost a mass leader and an able administrator, he said. Sonia Gandhi called him one of the tallest party leaders, saying he leaves behind a legacy of 6 decades service to the people of Himachal Pradesh and the nation. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said Veerbhadra Singh's commitment to serve people were exemplary. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari, BJP President JP Nadda and Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur also condoled his demise. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, AICC General Secretary Priyanka Vadra and ex-Haryana CM B.S. Hooda also paid tributes. Himachal BJP chief admitted to hospital following chest pain. Himachal Pradesh BJP President Suresh Kashyap was admitted to Shimla's Indira Gandhi Medical College and hospitalized GMC after he complained of chest pain on Thursday. He is out of danger and will be discharged after keeping him under supervision for some time, RGMC Senior Medical Superintendent Dr. Janak Raj said, adding that he suffered from a mild problem in the chest. Meanwhile, Kashyap in a statement said he was feeling uneasy for the past some days and went to the IGMC for a regular checkup. The Shimla MP was admitted to the hospital as he felt uneasiness when he visited former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh's family to express grief over the leader's death, a BJP leader said. 4 family killed as car rolls down gorge in Shimla district. 4 persons of a family including 2 teachers and a woman were killed while one sustained serious injuries when the car they were travelling in fell into a gorge near Majoli on Haripurdhar Labhan Link Road, about 40 km from Kub Bay and Chopal subdivision of Shimla district Thursday. Rajendra, 33-year-old, Roshan, 32-year-old, both teachers, and Jeevan Singh, 70-year-old, died on the spot, while Vidya Devi, 42-year-old wife of Kedar Singh, succumbed to injuries on the way to the hospital. Injured Ranveer, brother of deceased Roshan, in under treatment. Sources said the driver of the car lost control over the vehicle which turned fatal. A case has been registered and investigations are underway, police sources said. India records 43,393 new COVID cases, 911 more deaths. India lodged 43,393 new coronavirus infections, taking the total tally of COVID cases to 3,752,950, while the active cases have declined to 4,58,727, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Friday. The death toll had climbed to 4,05,939, with 911 fresh fatalities. The active cases comprise 1.49% of the total infections, and the national COVID recovery rate stands at 97.19%, the data showed. After viral video, only 50 tourists allowed at a time at Kempty Fall in Mussoorie. The district administration has imposed new norms for tourists visiting Kempty Fall in Mussoorie. According to the new rules, only 50% tourists will be allowed to bath at Kempty Fall for a maximum of 30 minutes at a time. A check post will be set up to monitor the tourists. Also, action will be taken against those without mask and not following social distancing. The new norms have come into force days after a video went viral on social media that showed a large number of tourists bathing at Kempty Fall without wearing masks or maintaining any social distancing. Won't compel user to accept a new privacy policy, WhatsApp tells the Delhi High Court. WhatsApp told the Delhi High Court on Friday that till the data protection bill comes into force, it would not compel user to opt for its new privacy policy as it has been put on hold. WhatsApp also clarified before the bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Justice Jyoti Singh that it would not limit the functionality for users who are not opting for new privacy policy in the meantime. Appearing for the instant messaging platform, senior advocate Harish Salve said, "We voluntarily agree to put it, that is the policy, on hold. We will not compel people to accept." Salve said that WhatsApp would nonetheless continue to display the update to its user. The court is hearing the appeals of Facebook and its firm WhatsApp against the single judge order refusing to stop the competition regulator CCI's order directing approve into WhatsApp a new privacy policy. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hillquest News channel. Thank you.
हेलो हिमाचल 365 टीवी सूचना, समाचार, मनोरंजन, एजुकेशन और भी बहुत कुछ लेकर आ रहा है। हिमाचल 365 टीवी।
This is Himachal 365 TV and you're watching Hillquest News. I am Garima.
मैं अनुराग।
मैं शिल्पा शर्मा। मैं मोनिका राणा।
मेरा नाम है आशीष।
मैं पूजा धीमान।
ये है हिमाचल 365 TV और आप देख रहे हैं Hillquest TV News।